Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. It is Vlogmas day 7. I asked you guys on my Instagram because I uploaded a wig review this morning at 9 a.m. so if you missed it, I will link it up here. But I asked you guys on Instagram if you also wanted a Vlogmas video, and so far, everybody's saying yes. It's noon right now, or a little bit after noon. I am getting a little bit of a late start. I just brushed my teeth, showered, got dressed. I have 2 or 3 videos to film today, and I have some household stuff to get done, and I have to go pick up my kid. Yeah, I have a little bit of a busy day ahead of me, so I'm kind of like biting myself in the butt right now. But I don't know. Let's talk about this juice cleanse, okay? I'm impatient. I am somebody who likes results quickly, especially when it comes to like my body. You know that meme where it's like everybody tells you, oh, just drink water for clear skin, drink water for long, luscious, healthy hair, and it's like, sis, all I get is pee. That's how I feel. I have drank an entire gallon. I did not finish that gallon last night, by the way, so I finished it this morning. I'm hungry now. All I'm doing is peeing. I don't know if I'm gonna last all day. I'm gonna try to drink as much as I can up until probably like the late afternoon, early evening. And then I'm probably gonna have some dinner because that's just what I wanna do. I'm gonna go ahead and start recording this video. Y'all, this wig that I'm gonna be reviewing, pray for me, okay? I am going away this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and then coming back on Sunday, so I might not have Vlogmas videos. So I'm trying to do a few wig reviews to cover for those days that I'm not gonna have like a vlog for Vlogmas, just so that you guys are getting content every day. I'm gonna try my best. I hope I succeed. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the stuff that I gotta do. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be because I'm gonna be pretty busy, but yeah, I'll try to give you guys as much insight as possible. Oh my gosh, hi, I look cute. I just finished recording a video on this wig, so if you guys are interested, stay tuned. It will be up in a few days. I have 2 more videos that I want to get done today. I hope the camera's not shaking, but my hand is shaking, so whatever. I have 2 other videos that I want to get filmed. One is like a try on, so I think I might film the try on portion right now and then do the sit down, like talk through in a minute. I just kind of gave you guys a clue. I haven't had any juice. I feel like I'm just gonna quit right now. I'm sorry if I let you down. If you were curious, maybe it'll work for you, but like for me, it's a no. So I'm just not. I'm gonna drink a lot of water today, and I'm gonna still, you know, be good, but I'm not messing with this juice no more. I'm done. Hi guys. I've been cleaning a lot. I tackled underneath the sink in my bathroom. That was so much more insane than I ever thought it was. Like, I had so much stuff, so much junk that I just threw away. So now I have this like humongous trash bag. See? I have all this. That's a wig on the floor. Girl, I forgot I had that wig. It was under there. I must have had a rough day where I just snatched it off and threw it underneath there. I don't know what was going on. But I have all this trash. This is just like products that I don't know why I have, because I don't use it. I used to be a product junkie, and now I don't want to be ever again. I told y'all I gave up on the juice. It's a no for me. So I am making a HelloFresh meal again. I'm waiting for that to be done so we can have like an early dinner before I have to go get my kid, my little one, my little babe. Yeah, and then I'm gonna chill. Jada's in the shower right now. I just took down her braids because they were kind of crusty because she hasn't been sleeping with the bonnet. So I'm having her like co-wash her hair. Luckily she's getting to the point where like I can trust her to co-wash her hair, not to do like a full wash day routine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This has been like a pretty productive day for me. I know it's been maybe like a boring vlog, but I got a lot of stuff done. My battery's dying. Thank you guys so much for watching another video and supporting whatever it is I do here on my channel. I love y'all, and I will see you on Vlogmas Day 8. Bye.